Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Doge USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. First of all guys, this is updates for main bull run plan Dogecoin, what I shared I guess 2 years ago. So highly recommend you in education purpose, go and double check why this FIB, why these levels are works. Now, so this is a FIB and the plan what I shared with you on the Binance. You know, we count from the top, you know, this was a support, equal highs, 27 block, like accumulation zone where it's more than okay accumulate Dogecoin. We leave the liquidity pool of June 2022 and not sweep it in June 2023 after the year. But everybody who want to accumulate Dogecoin made a lot of gains, because we got a lot of time for accumulation over the 651 days. And after that, we pump it to zero level, reject in April 2024, and dump it again to accumulation zone. So 11.77, 7 cents. It was a great time for accumulation. Here, how we respect the level and reject at 0.5 level by FIB. Technically, this downtrend line I shared with you in recent videos, you know, so it just was in theory, right? So I'm not a fan of the trend lines. Now we can draw the trend line like this one, you know, and extend it lines right. So we should now bounce higher and go to the moon, right? Another pattern what people now waiting, it's something like this one, a top, head and shoulder, and collapse it even on the this lows. I don't think so this will play out, this scenario. I think we will see the new high. I'm not sure about all-time high for Dogecoin, and like you can see, we pump it just because of Elon Musk once again, the pump it, and it was just a pure speculation. But let's be real guys, for any token, everything what we see on the chart is just price delivery, so based on a speculation, on a news or market makers. So we sweep at the equal highs, done. Technically guys, all levels absolutely still the same. If we will see capitulation, once again drop, you know where to accumulate. So it's 18 level by FIB, 11 cents 77, 7 cents and 02, this one. So everything pretty simple. Now we like to hold it once again the support line. So because a lot of people can't draw that trend line like this one, somebody can count the support line from this top, from this low to this top like this one, guys. But I repeat, all these trend lines is just in theory, right? So I'm not a fan of trend lines. I'm more work with imbalance and liquidity pools and the zone of interest. So. But of course, it's just my strategy. I guess logical fixation of profit, of course, was at 0.5 level by FIB, 47 cents. To buy now or not, it's only up to you. Because take a look. The targets, of course, I think we will see the 66 cents. From this current prices is 270%. New all-time high, it can be, yes, around $1.06. Just imagine for a minute the madness on the market if and maybe when the Dogecoin will hit over than $1. It will be even the biggest, even if like BTC hits 100K, because it just will be amazing example how everything in crypto possible, right? And I want to show you the global chart of Dogecoin. So we're gonna check what's going on globally with indicator set. So from low, it will be like, I don't know, 2,000%. So also more than good, right? So you have to understand Dogecoin now is kind of heavy by market capitalization. But of course, we understand the market capitalization, just random numbers, because the capitalization, it doesn't mean this is amount of money, USD, which now in this token. No, we just by formula, supply multiply to current price. So it's not like it's casino, right? And it's not that billions USD cash on the table, on the poker table. So capitulation, guys, once again, it's a drop 34% and even 60% down to test 27 zone. I don't think so. Why we should drop so low, but we can, just in case. That's why, guys, all levels on this FIB legit and relevant. You can zoom out and double check, right? So of course we can count from this top, to this one, but we count with the candles. So work with proper risk management, guys. Invest in Dogecoin now or not, I showed you the potential gains. So it's 272 zone of fixation again. Of course, after 100%, you should withdraw initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. And the new all-time high. If you believe in higher targets, of course, you can wait the 159, 212, 244. It's up to you. So this is how the chart looks like. Also, guys, highly recommend you go and check the main Doge bull run plan, just in educational purpose, to understand the logic why we traded here and accumulated here, why we rejected zero level, why we come back here, and why we reject at 0.5 level by FIB. Our main goal is determine the levels and the zones correct. After that, if this zones correct, and how we can know it's correct, when we see the price respect the level, not randomly. In this case, but of course, guys, it's just my personal opinion, my experience. In this case, we can work with that FIB on the weekly time frame, for example, for long run, right? Take a look. This is a Binance charts since June 19, but on indicator set, I will show you the global chart because here, December 13. So around June 8/19, here, only here, this token exists on a Binance. Before, this token traded on other exchanges like Bitstamp, I guess, this one. And nobody cared about this token. Of course, at that time, it was a so low liquidity market, but we should work with the data. Here, I marked the all-time high, this one, and yes, we can see the all-time high again. Take a look how the price and the indicators respect the time periods and showing us the signals. Take a look. This time period, it's like nobody care about the token. Pump, time to sell, drop. All these time periods, somebody accumulated, pump. Here's the accumulation again, pump, distribution. So this is how it works, guys. Also, I recommend you to work with the weekly time frame, on the high time frames on the crypto ticker. So Doge USD, or you can type like ADA USD, XRP USD to find out the oldest chart. You will see it's not from some one exchange, it's just oldest chart. It's like BLX on Binance. For BTC, not a Binance. Direction indicator, now no signal for accumulation. So now, guys, of course, we can see some hype again about the Doge, about the ETF for Dogecoin, and something in media, yes, to push the price higher, right? And yes, we still, I think, we'll see some pump on the meme sector. And Dogecoin, of course, the Shiba will follow, will be one of the main leaders. So direction, no signal for accumulation now. Monthly time frame, guys, take a look. This is not a top of the top where we need to out of this token here. But of course, guys, you remember we got a potential drop to 7 cents again, or even to the monthly gap, right? Form something like double bottom and going higher, or going lower. Once again, my take, guys, once again, I'm not I showed you the two scenarios, but I believe we go into the new high. Of course, we have to work with bad scenarios. Also, we can't talk only to the moon, right? No, it's impossible. But we have to build a plan. If plan A, and we drop, we do this. If plan B, we go higher, we do this. We mark the price where we should sell our tokens. Direction here was accumulation. So the whales accumulate. Take a look, the market's mode, guys. Monthly time frame. Just compare the cycles here. This was madness, euphoria. This was also the madness and the hype. Now it's like a positive hope on the market. Of course, will be much better if we drop to disbelief, but we will see. Weekly time frame, of course, here was a totally free here. Disbelief, euphoria. Top of the top, 0.5, logical to sell. So you have to build a plan and build a reason why, where to buy, where to sell. It was a logical zone. Accumulate, August, September, pump, 0.5 level by FIB, AFRIA, drop, sell. Now it's disbelief. So yes, of course, now it's if you believe in Dogecoin, if you like this asset, you can accumulate. Money power, guys, take a look. Money inflow, that time period, money outflow, step by step, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money outflow. Now 2 weeks in a row, money inflow. So average entry, let's say 14 and 16. So the whales accumulate. So pretty good one. Keep in mind, if the average like 15 cents at 30, we can see the seller pressure here at this weekly gap. We can see some seller pressure. Most likely the whales will withdraw initial deposit. Monthly time frame, guys, here, how we can track the cycles here. Time to sell, May, June 17. Here, time to sell, 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row, the whales distribute. After that, of course, they push the price higher, but it was just pure manipulation. Here was RSI bullish divergence on September 23 to buy. Here's no signal to sell. That's why, guys, let's add alert on the monthly time frame. Yes, money outflow. So technically, we can trade, for example, three months in money outflow mode, but if I will get notification about the will start outflow money from the Dogecoin, it's going to be the beginning of the end. Trade on, guys. Sell here, sell, buy. Main signal to buy was at around 5 cents. Take profit, some take profit, withdraw initial deposit, sell, buy back, sell. No signal to buy back, unfortunately. Monthly time frame here, sell, buy back, sell. No signal to buy. So yes, of course, it would be good to see the drop again to accumulate more, for example, for the people who wait a lower, but it's not necessary, so we will see. One more, guys, trigger why we can drop lower, because take a look, 10 cents, now 10 cents 42, it's buy line on the weekly time frame. A lot of examples I showed you, like a Jasmine, for example, when the tokens dump it lower and the tested the buy line on the weekly, even if you won't believe it. Here, of course, here we tested, bounce. Here we didn't test it. So when we trade way over exit line, it's time to out of the token, not time to buy. Now it's hard to say, are we going higher or lower? Because if we go higher, yes, of course, we can see one more impulse up like this one, maybe 66 and then drop. Around here, a lot of people will talk about we should skyrocket and breaking out the new all-time high, but maybe not. But of course, much better if we now retest 10 cents buy line and go higher. This will be the more positive signal than we recover back from these current prices. Monthly time frame, guys, take a look at the 12 cents 42. It's the exit line. Take profit line 11 cents. Buy line on monthly, it's 5 cents 59. So once again here, I can't even imagine why we should drop like this one. That's why I wish to see the test of 10 cents on the daily. Daily time frame, technically we dump it on the fundamental volume. Now we hold the line at the buy line on the daily. 35.97 is a take profit line on the daily. Exit line 40 cents 70. This one. 12-hour time frame here. Take profit 28. Exit line 31. Buy line 14. Fundamental value it's 10 cents 5. So this is what I would like to see. It's a 10 cents and 5. It's capitulation on weekly time frame. So guys, all targets, I showed you my idea, I explained it to you. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first bull run plan video for Dogecoin. Wrap us in a comment, do you think we will see the new all-time high for Dogecoin? We will see the $1 for Dogecoin or not this run? If you like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.